To successfully scale your e-commerce business, it all starts with understanding your current metrics. Analyze your sales data, customer behavior, and website performance to reveal hidden growth opportunities. Next, focus on optimizing your website. Enhance the user experience, improve speed, and ensure mobile responsiveness to boost those all-important conversion rates. Consider expanding your product offerings. Research and test new products that align with your brand and meet your customers' interests. This can help you attract a broader audience. Leverage effective digital marketing strategies. Utilize social media, email marketing, and targeted paid ads to reach more potential customers and drive traffic to your site. Automation is your best friend. Use CRM, inventory management, and marketing automation tools to streamline your operations and save invaluable time. Enhance your customer service by improving response times and offering various support options. This fosters loyalty and encourages repeat purchases. Evaluate and improve your logistics and supply chain processes to ensure you can handle increased orders efficiently as your business scales. Don't forget to explore international markets. Consider expanding your sales to new regions or countries to boost your market reach and sales potential. Building a strong brand presence is crucial. Invest in effective branding and storytelling to create a unique identity that resonates deeply with your audience. Finally, continuously monitor your performance metrics and be willing to adjust your growth strategy as needed. Agility is key to sustained success.